5 things I'll be summarizing in this video and I आप motivated होंगे. कोई भी नहीं होता है. More over money, more over this materialistic stuff, more over anyone. You need to build small habits. And let me start this conversation with my favorite quote. The magic you are looking for. The magic you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. Basically, to keep this conversation very neat and clean and एक organized way में मैं 5 चीज़ें आप लोगों से share करूँगा और I hope इनमें से आप अगर चीज़ें implement करेंगे आपकी लाइफ में definitely change देखने को मिलेंगे. Number 1, and this is my personal favorite since from 10th. जब मैं 10th में था, I got into habit of waking up early. So the thing is like, win your morning makes win your life. जब आप सुबह उठते हो, I don't point out this thing कि जो रात को जगते हैं, सुबह लेट उठते हैं, that's the other perspective. I'm talking about a person who is average and has been average in life. अगर उसको अपनी लाइफ में मॉडिफिकेशन करनी है, he has to start doing what? Wake up early and start your day. Number 2, ये इंस्पायर हुआ हूँ मैं एटॉमिक हैबिट्स से एंड यही रीज़न था जब हमने एटॉमिक हैबिट सीरीज़ को स्टार्ट किया. हमारा गोल ये है कि आप अपनी लाइफ में स्मॉल चेंज इंक्लूड करिए और इवेंचुअली वो स्मॉल चेंज आपकी लाइफ में एक बिग इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे. Number 3 guys, I will always suggest you based on my personal experience, never chase motivation, always build discipline. मोटिवेशन को चेज ना करिए, अपने आप को ऐसे सर्कमटेंस में लाइए कि जहाँ पे आप डिसिप्लिन हो, irrespective of your mood, irrespective of whether you want to go for work or not. Discipline is what कि you have to do things irrespective of आपका वो मन है करने का या नहीं. Number 4 guys, protect your mindset. देखो कभी कभार आप लाइफ में कोई भी चीज़ करते हो, आप कोई डिग्री चूज़ करते हो या आप कोई प्रोफेशन चूज़ करते हो, there are people who will always mock you at the back. There are people who will always criticize you at the back. You have to protect your mindset. आपने एक डिसीजन लिया है and you have to be very firm on that very decision कि नहीं, मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया है, whatever happens I will take on me. So protect your mindset. The simple thing is कि आप को फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ना चाहिए कि लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं आपके स्पेसिफिक चीज़ के बारे में. Once you are on it, go with full energy. Number 5, you need to take actions before you are ready. लाइफ में अगर आप कितनी भी मेहनत करोगे, लाइफ में आप कितना भी स्ट्रगल करोगे, you will be never ready. There will be no perfect starting actually. तो eventually rather than waiting for a perfect moment to start, just start it. साल भर पढ़ाई करते हो, जब आपका एग्जाम होगा and on the day of exam you will still feel कि there is something left. So basically जो भी आप काम करोगे you will be never ready. So what is best thing कि आप start करो, start your actions before you are ready. So लाइफ में आपको बहुत सारे ups and downs देखने को मिलेंगे, आपको criticism देखने को मिलेगा. People will judge you on the basis of your looks. अगर आप पतले हो तो they will call you skinny, अगर आप heavy हो तो they will call you bulky. I mean no matter what, that's a great saying कि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. बट what I am trying to say, मैं ये एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ कि not 100% you will be motivated. There will be days you will be off. There will be days you don't want to do any work. There are days even I don't go for a workout. I feel like shit यार क्या workout करूँगा. But to 70% times अगर आप अपने आप को पुश कर रहे हो कोई चीज़ करने के लिए, वो धीरे धीरे eventually you won't feel, जैसे आप वर्कआउट जा रहे हो, you won't feel the change on the same day, but once you keep doing, कभी कभार आप 50 देते हो, कभी 70 देते हो, I must say that कि 100% आप मोटिवेटेड होंगे, कोई भी नहीं होता है, that's a myth. हमें देखो डेली बेस पे गलतियाँ होंगी, we need to learn, have a positive mindset. मैंने यही देखा कि eventually आपके पास कितने पैसे हो, literally it doesn't matter. Although I am a very like keen to earn money, I always tell people, I always tell my juniors कि आपको पैसे कमाने चाहिए. But more over money, more over this materialistic stuff, more over anything in the world, your philosophy makes you feel happy. If you are not happy, then everything is waste. I see people around me, you know, they are unhealthy, they are unhappy back in their rooms. And when जब वो बाहर निकलते हैं और जब वो बाहर निकलते हैं, you know, they pretend that we are the best. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. देखो, you have to lie everybody in the world. सबसे झूठ बोलो, but never lie to yourself. Be very productive. Life में experiment करो. Do crazy shits. Do whatever you want. It was my once quote कि I want to experience every shit of life. तो life is full. I don't judge anybody. And moreover, I respect those people who are making videos, irrespective of whatever their content is, whatever their domain is. It's not easy to be in front of camera, to speak whatever you want, to speak a particular thing. तो basically guys, ये आज की learning थी जो मैंने share की. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों को सीखने को कुछ मिला. Although I'm not that much professional to this very thing because of my busy schedule, but whatever things comes to my mind, I think I should capture them. Thank you also guys जो लोग support करते हैं, subscribe किया है, comments करते हैं, प्यारे प्यारे comments करते हैं, appreciate करते हैं. I'm not able to make content regularly, but trust me guys, I have a lot of things to share with you guys, and eventually inshallah in upcoming days we are planning something big. तो उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा ये content. Love you guys. Allah Hafiz.